Hello and welcome. Curious English UK. How to pronounce OUGH sounds. Part 2. Ow. 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 Found in words like out, without, drought, plough and bow. Learn this model practice phrase to help you remember the sound. The cow pulls the plough. The cow pulls the plough. Well done. Number 2. Drop your jaw. This is a short sound in the back of your throat. As in enough. Enough. Notice that GH becomes F. Enough. Learn this model practice phrase to help you always remember this sound. Enough of that stuff. Enough of that stuff. Well done. Number 3. Cough. Cough. GH becomes F, but with O. Cough. Learn this model practice phrase to help you remember. I wish this cough would clear off. I wish this cough would clear off. Well done. Please comment below, share your experience with these sounds. Let me know what sounds you find difficult to pronounce in English.